Welcome back to Codezilla Academy. In today's video, we are just going to create a simple PHP logging system from scratch so that we can log from the home page and to the dashboard. So stay tuned. So please like the video, subscribe and hit the bell. So go on your computer, just on Windows, click home, then search for SAMP. So make sure you have installed SAMP on your computer and just go start Apache and MySQL. If your SQL is not doing like mine, just search for Task Manager and then search for any MySQL learning on your computer. So I found mine. I will just end the task. Once I end the task, I just go back and start my skill again so it is running. So let's go direct to the business. So go to File Expro, actually SAMP, then htdocs. Inside htdocs, right click anywhere, click new folder, create a folder. So once you have created a folder, right click on it, open with VS Code. So just remove this welcome and we are good now to code. I'll just create a new file inside VS Code. So new file index.php. So this will act as home page. So shift 1 on your screen and then click on enter. So let's create a simple home page. So when the user clicks the login button, PHP receives the data and checks if these are correct. So once you have done that, just go on your website, type localhost, PHP logging system. So it looks like that, meaning the SAMP PHP my admin is good. Now let's go back to coding. So we will make another file, logging.php. So our mission here is to create a system that can log in, that somebody, the user, actually needs to put in a username and then put a password to log in. So let's finish it. So as you see, the first thing we have done is just to make session start. A session allows PHP to remember the user after login. Next, we collect the username and password from the form. So for learning, we'll use a symbol learning username and password. So let us make this 1, 2, then make this code cell. So as you see, AI tries to autocomplete whatever I'm coding. So you need to be careful. But if you are fast and you needed to type exactly that code, actually you can play stop on your computer. So if the detail match, we store the username in a session and redirect the user to the dashboard. So that's what we are doing here on this line of code. So the AI has not given me exactly what I want to autocomplete. So I will not autocomplete whatever I don't want to do. I just keep coding. Password. So I can see this code. If I autocomplete it, actually it can work. So I'll just now put the real location where I want to log into. So the dashboard.php. So after you put the password, what follows next is just the PHP now redirects you to the hidden home page, that is dashboard.php. So we copy it and just come here, click on new file and copy paste that dashboard.php. So let's code something here. So let's start with PHP. So you must start with it so that we start with this session. Session actually reminds you on the password you put. So now let's protect the dashboard. We first check if the user session exists. If the user is not logged in, they are redirected to the home page. So let's create a small dashboard. So this is, you can create it yourself. You can expand it yourself as it is just using HTML. As you can see, AI can try to autocomplete for you. I can autocomplete that. What I will do next is just check the code and copy logout.php. So today, guys, I just wanted to create only 4 files. So let's change this to you have successfully logged in, and that is it. After that, actually create new file, and so making a logout pattern is so simple. So in future, we are going to actually put JavaScript on it to so that somebody cannot log out by mistake. When he or she tries to log out, he will get a pop-up that confirms whether he or she wants to log out. So as usual, start with PHP. That's why it is a back-end language. So I can see this AI tries to actually autocomplete. So it confuses me sometimes, but I wanted only to use season destroy, but this season, yeah, it looks well. It is cool. So what next to do is just so this is the password this is the username and password we are going to use when we try to log into the dashboard.php. So on your browser, actually, I'll copy paste the username and try to see whether we have made a mistake, and put the password 12345 6, then log in. Actually, it's successfully logging. So this is not the backend we are doing. On the next video, we are going to include the database. So I want to, let's design this, do some CSS, and after doing some CSS, we will be back to reload the dashboard. So back on VS Code, actually on the header, down the header, we'll create a link. Just do that and create tab. Then I will copy this style.css. Copying it, come here and create new file, and then copy paste. Then in this style.css, I'm just going to save time here, and so margin 0. So I want to autocomplete this. Then body autocomplete. This is just for saving time, and you can design wherever you want, how you want it to be. So reload this. Wow. So this is what we were auto completing. It didn't perfectly design the login container. So let's try to log in again, guys, and see the same design on dashboard. So you can see welcome to the dashboard. So thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe.